All right, this is your BSV 600. You have your hopper, you have your filling head. Inside of your filling head, you have your servo motor, and you have your agitation motor. Also on the top, you have your analog level control. This is your hopper. And then you have a set of free flow tooling in here, a set of self-feeding tooling, and another larger set of free flow tooling. To set up your BSV 600, you go to your setup screen. In your setup screen, this is where you would name your product, your target weight. This is where you dedicate revolutions and also the speed at which the auger turns. This is your agitation setup, where your agitation blade can be turned on with fill or continuous, or you can not have any on at all. Underneath there is agitation with fill. This is how long after filling is completed that the agitation blade will turn. This is the speed also at which the agitation blade turns. You also have a delay after fill. This is how long you are going to set once filling is completed. Here is your hopper level and infeed. This is where you would turn on for your level control. Your pause delay is how many revolutions once the filling goes to low level, how many filling cycles you're going to have to complete before the machine will go into pause. Low level agitation is once low level is achieved, that's when your agitation blade will turn on to help settle and feed a product. The level control distance from the probe is how far you want to set once your product goes down to turn on the level control. So you can actually set on different heights until which time you would like your in-feed system to then bring in more product. So if you're doing larger fills, say 50 pounds or so, you can set it rather high. That way you can maintain maximum head pressure while filling. This is your in-feed control. You can turn it on to pulse, continuous, or off. Pulse mode would mean how fast your in-feed system will turn. So you can have it turn off for 1 second and turn it on for 2 seconds, and this can be turned on to whatever you would like. This is where filling accessories, this is where you would dedicate onto which specific recipe your tooling is used. So once tooling is installed into the machine and your proximity light is turned on, pull out your e-stop, and now you can turn the machine on. Once the machine is turned on and you have your setup menu all completed, then you can sit down there and push start. Now it's going to tell me that there's a low level, so the machine is paused. The machine will stay paused until low level is achieved. For the time being, I'm going to turn it off. And now filling can be started. Once filling is started and I'm ready to start filling, I will hit the foot switch. This can be also done by hitting single cycle. Once filling is completed, you can stop the machine. And if you would like to empty out the machine, you can go into your test menu, and through this menu gives you the option to sit down there and turn on each individual component of the machine. So if I would like to empty the machine, I would do empty hopper, which turns on your auger and your agitation blade. All right. When breaking down and switching out tooling, remove your collector funnel. Move your auger. You would turn up and turn to the left. So you would push in and turn counterclockwise to remove the auger. Then you can remove your funnel. And now you're ready to put in whatever tooling you would like to move on to the next project. That concludes the overall view of your filling machine.